Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word preliminary. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The team conducted preliminary research before presenting their findings to the client. Preliminary refers to something that is done as a preparation or introduction before the main event or proceeding. Preliminary actions are essential for planning. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.